Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how I made this cute little tangos and also you will learn some new tricks and tips from my side. And if you like this video or you like my kind of tutorial, then please let me know in the comments. So let's get started. For materials I'm using 4 ply Ganga Alisha, scissor, stitch marker needle, stick, polyfiber, a glue stick, 3 mm crochet hook. First we are going to do a magic ring. For magic ring, make a X pattern on your 2 fingers. Now insert your hook under the yarn and pull the above one. Now chain 1. Your magic ring is ready. For round 1 you have to do 6 single crochet. For single crochet, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull the working yarn. You have 2 loops on your hook. Pull the working yarn from the 2 loops. Do 5 more single crochet. At the end, insert your hook into the first single crochet. Pull the yarn to close the ring. Now do 2 single crochet in one stitch. It means you are doing a increase. Complete this round. For round 3, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. And you have to put stitch marker in the beginning of the round. For round 4 and 5, we are going to do 18 single crochet. It means 1 single crochet in one stitch. After the 5th round, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. For decrease, you have to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. From the first 2 front loop, you are going to pull the working yarn and your decrease is ready. For the reference, I am showing you what is front loop. Now we are going to prepare the stick. For preparation, just do as I am doing in the video, but remember what is primary yarn and what is the secondary. Now your stick is ready. Just cut the yarn. Also burn the stick little bit with the fire. Now insert the stick in the ball part, stuff it and use glue to secure it. For round 7 we are going to do 6 decreases. In the last decrease, when you have 2 loops left on your hook, pull through with new color to complete the stitch. This is your color changing trick. Now we are going to do 6 single crochet in the front loop. Just do as I am showing in the video by using both the yarns. So insert your hook into the front loop and pull the white yarn. Now from the 2 loops, pull the sky blue yarn. Your single crochet is ready. Do in total 6 times. Now after making this, you have to repeat the same as I did earlier. I'm just writing the pattern on the screen. You can use it for your comfort. Now we are going to use our needle. So just pull out the thread from the front loop of the stitch and close the ball. And your crochet candy is ready. Let me know in the comments you like this tutorial or not. Bye bye.